Hi, my name is Tyler. Welcome to Ty Fixes. I am doing an iPhone 6s battery replacement. I have opened this phone before and it does not have any adhesive attached to it, so opening it will be really easy without using heat. After opening it, you definitely need to unplug the battery connector so you don't have to short anything out. After unplugging it, you have to take out the 4 screws in the metal panel. After taking the screen off, we can move on to taking the battery out. This iPhone did not have an original battery adhesive. It had double-sided tape. After removing the battery, I just need to get rid of the double-sided tape. I got this battery from Mobile Centrics. It already came pre-installed with the adhesive. After moving the adhesive down with the spudger to make sure that it stays stuck to the battery, you take off the plastic and attach it to the housing. What I do personally is that I connect the battery first and then put the battery on. I ended up getting the cable underneath the battery stuck, so I need to move that out of the way and then put the battery in. After pushing down with the battery to make sure it's stuck to the housing, we can start moving on to attaching the screen back on. Always make sure the battery is disconnected first before doing anything else. After turning on, we gotta make sure everything works. So I went into the settings and checked the battery and battery health. After seeing that it's 100%, we know the battery works perfectly. So after, we need to turn it off and attach the metal plate back in with the screws on. After connecting the last plate to the battery connector, I turn it back on to double check everything, make sure it works. And then I realized I forgot the adhesive that surrounds the back end, that connects the screen to the back end. So I skip all the good part, taking it apart again. So I need to clean out the surrounding old adhesive out with the spudger and alcohol. After getting a good clean, I can put the new adhesive on. I could see here you need to make sure that the adhesive is in the right proper places so it can connect properly. After placing the heater on, I make sure that it sticks properly with the spudger. And then I can work on taking the plastic off of the adhesive and then put the screen on. After putting the screen back together and make sure it locks, I can add the two screws, the pendulum screw back into the bottom. Turn it on to make sure it works perfectly. I go to the setting and check out the battery health. I use the iFixit Pro Tool Tech Kit and it works really well. I recommend you getting those kind of screwdrivers and screws. They have every screw bit that you can possibly think of for every electronic device out there. After putting the screws in, we need to give it a good cleaning with the Microsoft Fabric. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe to Ty Fixes.